What's up, guys? If you've been following my channel for a while, you know that Evan has this beautiful 2005 blue Acura RSX. And if you've also been following my channel, you know that he likes to crash his car for some reason. So he crashed it the first time, obviously, by the bumper. Anyway, he couldn't just crash it once, so he decided he would crash it again. And this time, this is his most recent crash, and by recent I mean 8 months ago. And what he did is jam his door. He jammed his door and
that was so long.
yeah, it was 8 months ago. It was back in November.
Hey, no crashes for 8 months.
Yeah, he messed it up pretty bad. So in the past 8 months, this door's been bolted shut.
Somehow didn't get caught by the police.
Yeah, he's been going through the passenger side door for the past 8 months to get into his car. So essentially his car only has one door at the moment. Yeah, and it hasn't passed inspection for a while. So, you know, that's why we're doing this. Evan's got a door from Craigslist, and he got some new hinges because we saw that those were broken. So we're finally going to be replacing his door after 8 months. And we're starting by taking off the fender and removing the bolts for the hinges out there, and then we're just going to take it from there. So let's see what happens. Hopefully we can get a black door on this blue car. So as you saw, we got the new mirror, new door trim, and everything, like the hinges. We got new hinges because Evan hinges are toast. You can see they're super bent. This is his old door. Put the new trim on too. Yeah, so now we're gonna finish putting this on because this is a little messed up. And then we'll put it back on the car. And hopefully not have to re-drill these holes because those are kind of bad, as you can see. But we'll figure that out. Hopefully they'll be okay. Hopefully it was just the hinges that were very bent and the door being just messed up. And he's gonna get a nice black door on his blue car. This is the new JDM look, just saying.
Yeah, it just did.
Wait. Open it? Oh my god. Evan, your car door opens.
Wait, now close to make sure it latches properly.
I mean, that's fine. That's not needed.
Peter, what's not needed?
Oh! It works!
Evan, your door.
Do it again.
Evan, you have a door. All right, let's
After
go
9 months.
Let's go plug in all the wires and make sure everything works, like the windows, door locks, mirrors, and stuff.
This is a look. It's not as bad as I thought.
It looks kind of JDM, you know. Wow, look at that.
It doesn't look as bad as like a green door on a red car.
Yeah, it actually looks kind of cool.
Black was the only other color other than blue that you could actually pull off.
It was the only other door for sale.
Yeah, this door is now on. It opens and closes.
And the windows work.
And the window works. It locks. It's got all the door locks and everything. Bent the fender back. So he finally, it took 8 months, but he finally has a working door on his car for the driver's side, so he doesn't have to climb to the passenger
No, I
side.
just need a hood, a fender, a bumper, and a new car.
Which is never going to happen. So this is what he's going to have until he crashes it again and then gets a new car.
Never.
Honestly.